So I have a big pool in my backyard, and we are constantly having issues with these ducks flying and just squatting in the pool. So we needed a good solution. So I purchased the Bestway Realistic Reptile Ride from Amazon. This giant inflatable crocodile is perfect and did exactly what we needed. It made it look like there was a crocodile floating in our pool, and it's done a great job of keeping those annoying, pesky ducks away from our pool. The crocodile came really quick, and it was packaged up real nice and small. Then we were able to quickly blow it up because while it's large, it's not humongous, but it is over 6 feet long. So it did the exact thing we needed it to. It kept the ducks away, and now the kids love playing with it in the pool as well. They can fit 2 or 3 on at the same time, and they love riding around this inflatable crocodile. And we love it because it keeps those pesky ducks out of our pool. Highly recommend the Bestway Reptile Ride-On Crocodile Inflatable Pool Toy.